Yo, what up guys? Today we have the GeForce RTX 4070 from Gigabyte. This edition is the WindForce OC12GB. This Vega card is absolutely amazing. It comes with the WindForce cooling system with 3 fans, and here at the back it comes with the metal plate which give it a slick look, and it also supportive for the whole Vega card. Also, it comes with the screen cooling system which allows the air to flow through the heat sinks. This card is absolutely amazing, and it supports the DLSS3 from NVIDIA, which allows the AI to generate more frames, and it doubles or 2.5 times the frames that you get without the DLSS3. We're going to test this card today and we'll play some games, and we're gonna check the frames with the DLSS3. Let's have a look at the card so we can make sure that this is one of the best Vega cards that's going to help you, and it's going to support all of your gaming experiences. So let's put the 4070 in the C500 glass from Aorus, which we are going to review later. After installing the 4070 in the amazing C500 from Aorus, let's fire up this baby and watch the games and watch the performance. Stay tuned.